During the hours immediately following the snowstorm, homeowners continued clearing their driveways as the plow trucks made the streets and roads safer for driving. 22 News Storm Team meteorologists and reporters have been covering this snowstorm all day. We begin our team coverage with 22 News reporter David McKay.
Another December day in New England, another snowstorm.
It's typical. Unfortunately, it's typical.
The snow that blanketed Massachusetts Saturday morning may have come as a shock for some to wake up to, and plows struggled to keep up on the roadway. But folks started to go about their business as the sun came up with the familiar hum of snowblowers and scraping of plows on the roadway. It's a good old-fashioned New England snowstorm, and I'm having a little bit too much fun in it by myself today. But it's a light powdery mix, a lot of fun for the kids at home going sledding or the skiers. Not too difficult to shovel, but within 5 minutes of me standing out here, you can see just how much it's accumulated on top of my head. On the roadways, different story for people headed out getting those last-second gifts before Christmas next week. The Super Saturday sales were too sweet for some as they braved the roadways. To get out of the driveway, many residents felt the familiar snow shovel handle they had not touched since last year.
It's hectic, trying to get presents for everyone, planning for the family. And then there's the snow to deal with, gotta shovel it all up. I mean, it's average New England weather.
Average, but never easy to deal with. Some avoided dealing with the roads altogether. Has it affected your plans at all?
Oh, definitely. I don't drive, so it makes it harder.
Some, including Santa, decided they were better off leaving the car or sled behind and just walking in the snow.
It's beautiful. Maybe a white Christmas.
Just like those ones I used to know. In Westfield, David McKay, 22 News.